Hello everyone. So today we'll be treating the cockroach infestation in the home. So the products that I am going to show you, if you want to buy the product, then you can buy the product from the description below. And this is basically the professional product which is used by the pest control services in United States. And these can be applied directly. So let me first explain you what is the advantage of watching this video and applying this kind of treatment in your house instead of calling for the pest control. So if you call for pest control, then their visit costs about $200 per visit, and you need to get treated every 3 months, so that would be very expensive. Now the product that I show you in this video, it costs about $35, and you can use the same product for a very long period of time, maybe for 1 year, and you can apply this treatment every 3 months and treat the cockroach infestation. So this treatment is not just for the treatment of cockroaches when those are already there in the house. You can also treat it as a preventative treatment. So you can apply it and keep it in the home although you do not see the cockroaches. And if you have kids at home, then make sure that you apply this liquid or gel in places which are inaccessible to the kids. Usually cockroaches stay in places which are inaccessible to the humans because they do not like human touch, but they love food. So if the food is available, then they are going to come. So I mean, you need to keep your kitchen clean basically, and the points that you need to apply is basically the kitchen and also the bathroom. These two are the places where you can find cockroaches the most in a house. So let's see the treatment. Before we get to the treatment, this is the product that I'll be applying. This is also used by professional pest control services. It is Alpine Cockroach Gel Bait, and here it says rotation 1 reservoir. So this is called as rotation 1 compound, and there is another compound which is called as rotation 2 compound. So what does this mean is you need to buy both the compounds, and the rotation 1 compound needs to be applied first, and after 3 months you need to apply rotation 2 compound. Now 3 months after the rotation 2 compound you need to apply rotation 1 compound, and so on. This way you need to cyclically rotate compound 1 and compound 2 for effective treatment of cockroaches in the home. So this is the product. So let me show you how it looks. So this is the tube, and then we have the injection mechanism. You need to open this, and then you need to basically insert this, and this is where you are going to apply using this particular injection mechanism tubes, and you are going to apply in two places usually. One is in the kitchen area and one is in the bathroom area, and at places which are inaccessible to kids and pets. So you can directly apply this on the walls, on the floor, but if you are afraid of color pigmentation, then you can basically use cardboard pieces like this. So these are like sheet pieces or cardboard pieces, and you can put that piece on the floor, and then you can apply the gel on top of it. So this also treats. So at places which are directly in the visible spectrum, then you can use this cardboard so that you can directly remove it after the gel is hardened or dried. Now at places which are inaccessible, such as on top of the mirrors, on top of the rack of pantry, inside the cupboards, or under the sink, you can directly apply. So this is about the product. So let's look at different places to apply. I'm going to apply on top of the mirror in small quantities, as you can see. Okay, so this color is not pleasing, so that's why I said you can use the cardboard pieces or the sheet pieces when you apply. This is under the sink, So basically on the four corners you can apply. You can apply over here, there on that corner, this corner and this corner. Place it in the corner of the under sink. Okay, so you basically need to use a cardboard or thick piece of sheet. Do not use paper because it can get blown away. This is the farthest corner in the under sink, and as you can see I have already placed the cardboard sheet of paper with the gel. Now this is the sink. Okay, you need to apply the gel at these places also. These places, this one, here and here as well. Now if you apply over here, you can directly apply if you're not afraid of pigmentation. Otherwise, if you put the piece of paper over here and if you are trying to open this, the piece might fall, and if the gel is not dried, then it will spread on the floor. And also this area is accessible to kids, so be careful. But these are good places to apply as well. Other good place is to apply behind the toilet seat. Other best place to apply is under the sink of the kitchen, and then this is the area of cooking range, so you need to apply it at the bottom. So then you need to apply it beside the fridge and behind the fridge. It's a good place to apply. All these areas are inaccessible, and I'll be applying them, and I cannot apply by showing the camera, so I'm not going to show them. And this is basically the pantry, and you are going to apply it at corners of the pantry and on top of the door, and also on top of this rim. Okay, and also, for example, at places like this, okay, at places like this you need to apply. And yeah, so those are the places where cockroaches are frequently visiting, and these are the areas where we need to apply. And similarly, you apply to all the other kitchen if you have multiple kitchen in your home, and if you have multiple bathrooms, then you need to apply on top of the mirror, as I have shown, near the toilet seat, and also under the sink. Also, as you can see, these kitchen cabinets, so on top of those kitchen cabinets as well, you can apply the gel bait. And inside the cupboards, if you have some areas where you have seen the activity, you can put the gel bait at that location as well. So these are all the strategic points where you can apply the gel bait for the cockroach treatment. I hope this video is helpful. If this has been helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, take care and bye bye.